welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Blue Heaven Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow. So basically, I have this in the shade 04 Bronze Stardust. And to be honest guys, I've been meaning to try this out, but this has been lying in my vanity since a very long time. And I think it's time that we actually try this out. So yeah, in today's video, I'm going to show you how it swatches on my hand as well as how it looks on the eyes. So if you're interested, let's get into it. Alright, so now before I can try out this liquid eyeshadow, I'm just gonna, let's say, set my base. I'm just gonna have like a simple eyeshadow look and be right back. Okay, now that my eyes are all done, I'm gonna go in with the liquid eyeshadow. I'm just gonna place it on on the, oops. Okay, I'm just gonna place it on the eyelids basically. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the liquid glitter eyeshadow on my eyelids and let's see how it fares. Let me see if it actually takes off my base that I've set down on my eyelid, or will it actually look very I don't know, should I go in with a brush or let's go in straight with the wand. It's a lot of product. Okay, so as you can see, it's like a doe foot applicator. Yeah, so basically it looks very brown for some reason, but it's a good, it's good. It looks nice and glittery. Just swatch it on my palm for you so that you can see how the color is. Yeah, so this is how it looks. If you can see it's a very glittery color. Like, look at it. You can see it just glittering and reflecting. She's very pretty. Okay, so it's not blending. So I mean, it kinda is transparent, but not a lot. Like, not a lot. Definitely not a lot. It's transparent, but not a lot. Okay, now let's go into it with the eyes. We've already done the hand swatch. Let's get into it with the eyes. Scary. Okay, so I'm just gonna directly go ahead and apply it. Well, it feels wet. It's applying very smoothly. Okay, maybe let it set and we're gonna add another coat to it. I don't think we require another layer, but what the heck, let's go. One more layer. It feels like there's a film. Like, yeah, it feels like it's dry. Like, I can feel it almost dried on my eyelid. Interesting. See if I can blend it. Does look freaking beautiful. Let me see if I can place some eyeshadow just on the corners, like blend it out a little. shimmer base and place this liquid glitter eyeshadow on top of it and see how it fits. Yeah, I think I'll just go in with my hand. Okay, now that I've got that little bit of shimmer down, let me see how this looks. Here we go. It feels nice. I mean, like, now I was feeling like a layer. I was feeling like a layer was on top of this, but right now it's nice and yeah, it's pretty comfortable. Yeah. So you do have some time to work with it because it's still once it's like a little bit once it's applied and it's still liquidy, you can work with it, but you don't have a lot of time. Just keep keep that in your mind. But yeah, I'm gonna do another layer. I think the other layer looks really nice. I think it looks really nice when you do a second layer. I'm just gonna get this little bit on my inner corners. I think it looks really stunning. Like it's very classy and vibe-ish. Like I mean, it's a vibe. I'm kind of loving this, and this was really affordable. Don't remember how much, but I think it was like 150, 100 and something, inside 200 bucks. But yeah, this is giving a vibe. Oh my god, look at that shine though. I think I've got a new favorite. Alright, so now let me just finish my eyes and my entire makeup and I'll be right back. I also wanted to test one more thing. I mean, on top of eyeshadow, this looks phenomenal. It looks really pretty, really party wear, and like, I think you could even like tone these down and wear it for every day. But yeah, I want to see how does eyeliner work on top of this. Like, does it act funky or is it gonna stay? We will see right now. I'm just gonna use a basic liquid eyeliner. And I'm just lightly going to line my eyes. Okay, yeah, so it looks good even with the eyeliner on top of it. Yeah, it's not disturbing anything. So yeah, this looks pretty killer on eyeshadow as well as with eyeliner on top of it. So yeah, let me just finish my entire makeup and I'll be right back. And this is the final makeup look. As you all can see, the eyes are pretty blinking, just like it says on the bottle right here. So yeah, I'm definitely going to go get my hands on the other colors as well. This is definitely travel friendly, and like yeah, you can use it in the day, you can use it in the night, you can build it up. It's transfer proof. Once it's set, it's going nowhere. So definitely a good buy. And yeah, if you all like this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you all want to see more videos like this, definitely subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.